This song features one chord pattern with a bit of an alteration between the verse and the chorus. We're going to begin on an F major, F, A, C, and take that to a C major, C, E, G, followed by a G minor, G, B flat, D, and end on a B flat major, B flat, D, F. In the verse, we'll give each of those 4 beats, like this in one hand. 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G minor, B flat major. In 2 hands, the verse pattern could look and sound like this. Begin on F major, 2, 3, 4. On the chorus pattern, we're going to begin the same way, but cut the final chord, the B flat, in half and add another C in for the other 2 beats. Begin again on F major. Chorus goes like this. 2, 3, 4. F major, C major, G minor, B flat, C, restart. The final 2 chords, B flat major and C major, get 2 beats each. Here's how that could look in 2 hands. Beginning on F major, here's the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4.